JAFRA friends. Today I'm here to share with you the amazing benefits and tips on how to add these two products from our JAFRA Royal Boost to your skincare routine. If you feel like, sometimes you're very busy, you're on the go, and you just want to feel that refresh, that glow, well, if that's you, these two products will benefit your skincare routine. So let's get started. So JAFRA Royal Boost Skincare is designed to simplify your routine with unique cleansing options, ideal for all skin types and perfect for your busy lifestyle. It is infused with skin-loving superfoods and royal jelly RJX. What's royal jelly RJX? You might be asking yourself. Well, it's going to multiply the revitalizing power of royal jelly, delivering it with incredible power and precision. And that is our star ingredient. And you can find that in these two products and many more here at JAFRA. It is great for a quick refresh and cleansing on the go. It is fast, gentle, and effective. So let's learn more about the key ingredients and how to use these two products. But before that, you know the micellar water is made up of tiny cleansing molecules called micelles. These are going to attract the dirt, the oil, and impurities, lifting them from your skin without harsh rubbing. This product is a staple in many beauty routines because it's gentle yet effective, perfect for removing makeup, refreshing your skin, maybe after a workout or as a quick morning cleanse. And did you know that what began as a skincare secret by women in France in the early 1900s is now known worldwide as a wonderful multi-purpose skincare product? And if you ever search for answers on how to cleanse your face or remove makeup without scrubbing your skin raw, you likely already know about micellar water. Let me share with you what exactly micellar water is used for. It's a gentle no-rinse formula powered by micellar technology to lift away dirt, oil, makeup while soothing and hydrating your skin. Isn't it that amazing? Now, let me share with you some of the benefits and the key ingredients. The micellar water is going to gently remove dirt, makeup, and impurities. You don't need to rinse after using this product. It's optional if you do, but it's a no rinse required. It's perfect for travelers on the go or for those moments when you just want to refresh your face. It also, one of the other benefits that this product has is that it's going to soothe and hydrate your skin. And it's great as a first step in double cleansing routine. So raise your hand if you already know about double cleansing. Ever since I discovered that step in my skincare routine, I cannot skip that double cleansing. I just feel how my face feels super clean and super hydrated, and just amazing tip that I can give you. If you haven't tried it, this can be your first step, and then you can use your regular cleanser that you are already using. And what are the key ingredients for the micellar water? Aloe vera, which has soothing and moisturizing properties. Matcha, which is known as green tea, that is going to nourish your skin with antioxidants. And our wonderful royal jelly RJX, that is going to promote youthful looking skin. And some of the tips that I can give you for this product, you can apply it on a cotton pad and just use it across your skin. Rinsing is optional. If you're using it to remove your makeup, go ahead and put it in the cotton pad. And what I like to do is just leaving it on my eyes for 5 seconds, and then I start removing the makeup. It's also great to, another tip is to store it in a cool place to keep it refreshing. So many tips that we can share with you about this product. But now let me ask you, are you constantly on the go? These wipes are perfect for a quick, gentle cleanse, delivering an extra boost of hydration and toning benefits in one step. And let me show you the size. It's a very good size. This pack has 30 boost wipes. And let's learn about the benefits and key ingredients. It's quick and convenient for cleansing, removing makeup, sunscreen, and impurities. It's going to tone and hydrate in one step. It's going to leave your skin soft and energized. It is perfect for travel, gym, or midday refreshment. What are the key ingredients? Just like the micellar water, it has the matcha, the royal jelly RJX, but it also has the boost wipe, the chamomile extract, which has calming and comforting benefits. And here is just a quick recap of these two products. What are the benefits? What are the star ingredients? What are they best for? So I hope that you really learned something from these two products and that you incorporate them into your daily skincare routine. And before we leave today, I want to ask you, why should Boost be your go-to cleansers? Well, whether you're short on time or looking for a gentle cleanse, JAFRA Royal Boost Micellar Water and the wipes offer an effortless way to refresh your skin anytime, anywhere. They're just not convenient. They're packed with superfoods your skin will love. And that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you on the next one.